Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, about 8:54, Wednesday, September 11th. Good morning, happy Wednesday to everybody. Just a quick video. I'm out here in the garden doing a quick update. Let me get to that first. Tomatoes are doing okay. They haven't really done much. I picked a couple the last couple of days. This is all the new squash, the cocozelli squash and the straight neck squash. So those are starting to flower over there. They're coming along, I think, because it started to get pretty cold at night. Not cold, but 50s and 60s. So I got some broccoli here, some lettuce. Lettuce and broccoli, lettuce and cabbage, carrots. My giant pink Belgian tomatoes are finally starting to grow. Here's another one here. That hasn't done much in like 2 weeks now. Some more carrots. Here's the vines for the cucumbers. I'll show you a couple of those in a minute. But these are doing pretty good. They're getting there. Some more broccoli, cilantro, cabbage, and all these are cucumbers. These are the Sweet Success cucumbers. Early girl tomatoes are still going. My pepper plant, if you look back a couple of videos, I took them all off one day because everything just started dying. Leaves were falling off. It was just crazy. Here's my pole beans. Those are pretty much done. I'm just letting those die out. Zucchinis. I just picked one today. I'll show you that here in a minute. Here's my old cucumbers. They're still flowering, but they're just not producing anything. These are the sun gold tomatoes. Everything's slowing down pretty good. There's a couple down there that I'm going to pick here in a minute. These are the Candyland tomatoes. That's about as big as they get. Wait till I'll pick that one here probably tomorrow or the next day. Yeah, and that's kind of where we're at. Quick garden update. I did have some lettuce over here. I did plant another Belgian tomato here, but it died out. I had lettuce here earlier in the year, and I had this bucket underneath. Well, it dropped some seeds, so I got some free lettuce here from the last harvest. Stuff that I picked up. Here's what I picked today. Here's a zucchini. A couple of cucumbers, Sweet Success cucumbers. That's about as big as they get. A little thin here on the end, but that was a watering thing. But yeah, those are ready to go, and these are really good. Really good. And then just some, these are the Candyland tomatoes. Very small, but very, very good. Yeah, so that's the garden update today. The debate last night, clown show on both sides. Really didn't sway. I don't think it swayed anybody one way or the other. And I won't go into that too much here on the channel. I'm trying not to. Today, 9/11, 23 years. I remember where I was at. I had just gotten to work. I was on the USS Bonhomme Richard in San Diego. Just gotten to work, so it was about 6 o'clock in the morning, and we were glued to the news, CNN back then when they were good, and we couldn't leave the ship for 4 days, right there in port. But watching that was just incredible, and anger, and yeah, so remember 9/11 today. Say a prayer for the families. Kind of quiet today, so just wanted to let you guys in on a quick update, some thoughts for today. Yeah, reach out to somebody today. Probably a lot of people hurting, a lot of families hurting. And take care of each other. Peace.